Hello and welcome to URun. Today I'm gonna teach you how to show alert dialog in Android. So let's open up the Android Studio. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna place a button at the center of the screen and show the alert dialog on button click. Let's take button first. Height, width, wrap content, and text will be show dialog, and its ID will be btn dialog. Let's copy the ID, go to Java file, take the button object, initialize it, cast it to button, find view by ID r.id.btn dialog, and set the listener button dot set on click listener new, hit control space, then it will show the suggestion, hit on first view dot on click listener. Perfect. Alert dialog dot builder space builder is equal to new alert dialog dot builder. We're gonna pass context here, main activity dot this, no, builder dot set title, alert, and builder dot set message, please subscribe our channel. So alert dialog has three buttons. One is positive, one negative, and one is neutral. So how to create these buttons? Builder dot set positive button. Each button has two things. One is text, other is listener. First we will place text. I will place it positive. Then listener will take dialog interface dot on click listener, hit enter. Now take negative button dot set negative button, and just like that take neutral button. Now it's time to create the alert dialog and show it. Simply alert dialog is equal to builder dot create and alert dialog dot show. Let's run the project and see what we have done today. So here's our result. We have button show dialog. Now let's click on it and it should show the dialog. There you go. We have title here, you learn, and we have message, please subscribe our channel. We have three buttons, neutral, negative, and positive. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in another video.